Alright, you guys. I'm in Walmart right now, and I'm shopping, and figured I'd come pick up some stuff so my mom can make some chili for us. And I was super hyped when I looked at my phone. Since I've been in Walmart, literally, I've been in Walmart for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Since I've been in Walmart, I've already made $120 on drop shipping, which is ludicrous, right? Cashing out left and right for no reason, only because I just followed some little few tips that people gave me, and now I want to give you. But I know people probably looking at me crazy because I'm in here recording a video in Walmart. But I just want to tell you guys that I will be coming back in like 2 seconds so that I can share some great tips with you guys. But I'm retarded, so I'm gonna act retarded in Walmart today. Just letting you know. So my ex hit me up yesterday and let me know she was so upset, and it upset me because she was upset. But my Bella, which is my dog, is it's hurting. It's this time of the year, man. I'm telling you, like, fleas and shit is crazy at this time of the year. Hey, go ahead and put a comment in the bottom if you got a little fur baby, and if the fur babies is getting messed up by the fleas, man, let me know what y'all did to help out. Cause I'm over here, I gotta find her something so I can send her some stuff so that my fur baby won't be out here just messed up. Not saying, I mean, she take care of her and everything, but that's my baby, so I'm a daddy, I gotta take care of her too. I hate fleas though, cause she's so tiny and they just kill her little self. I hate having all these different things that you can get from Walmart because I don't know what to buy. I swear I like sharing my shopping experiences with y'all. But look at this big ass can of beans, y'all. It's a big ass can of beans. And I'm gonna need 4 of these joints so that my mom can make chili. What your mom use when she makes chili? Do you even eat your mama food? Drop me a comment at the bottom if you really enjoy your mom's food and you would do anything for her to make sure that she could, because I will. I'm in the grocery store right now and I hate grocery shopping. I absolutely hate grocery shopping. But I'm good at it, and I gotta buy this stuff for my mom to cook for us, you know? Have no idea what I'm buying. I call her every 2 seconds just to see, like, what's going on. Weird. So I'm looking for these tomatoes, right? Look, this is what I'm looking for right here. Why they got every other kind of tomato in here in the big can, but they don't have this one in the big can. They only got this one in the little can, which is retarded. And I don't know why. And I think I'm missing it. But I don't feel like standing here and looking at these cans forever so that I can figure out what I'm missing. This is why I hate grocery shopping. Alright, y'all, as you can see, I'm back in the car. Went and got the groceries. See my groceries back there. Got my dog some flea stuff. And got me some more workout stuff because, hey, everybody keeps saying like 2019, next year I'm gonna do this New Year's resolution. Nah, bruh. Today, this is what you do. You just decide right now that you're gonna do something different. No lie. Say you're gonna do something different right now. And if you gonna go ahead and jump on this with me, go ahead to the comments below and comment what you gonna change today. Every single day is an opportunity for you to change your life, okay? Don't wait until next week Tuesday because it's the first of the year. Because if you wait till next week Tuesday, by Monday you're gonna go out and get lit, and then you're gonna forget what you even wanted to do in the first damn place, okay? So right now, go ahead and like this video, hit the thumbs up, go ahead and click the little subscribe button somewhere around here. I don't know. But go ahead and click the little subscribe button, and then go ahead and send me a comment and let me know what you changing right now today. And excuse my language, but fuck a New Year's resolutions, y'all. Okay? Let's do this right now. To every single day is an opportunity for you to make a change. Every day. So let's do it. What you waiting on? Did you like it? Did you like it? I'm not going nowhere until you like it. Alright, so like it, subscribe, and comment. If you don't sit here and comment and tell me what y'all gonna change today, you might as well not even just subscribe to my videos. Let me tell you the truth, because I don't want nobody following my videos. I don't want anybody following my subscribing to these YouTube videos if you not trying to make a difference. Okay? Dang. This little bump right here be getting on my nerves. I don't know why it's not going away. But anyway, back to what I was saying. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. Go ahead. Subscribe. Like the video. Comment what you changing today. We're gonna make a change today. Alright? Today. I know when I started this video, I told y'all I walked into Walmart with my money, the cash that I was gonna spend in my pocket today. I had to go get the stuff for my mom to make chili, because I'm in love with her chili. And we got some people coming over to visit this evening. I really feel like they're going to eat up all our food. But I'm trying not to be mean about it. I'm trying to be like nice and be like, family, yay. Look at my face. I want my mama to cook for me. I'm be honest with you, half the time I don't even want her to cook for my brother and my sister. Or my nieces. Ain't that bad? That's bad. That's selfish. That's hella selfish. Alright, y'all. So, telling you, did you subscribe to this? And did you like it? I always look like I'm looking at myself and look retarded, but the camera's right there. But anyway, so go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. Go check out my other videos too, because I got some great ways that y'all can, make some extra cash. If you have signed up for some of my great ways to make some free cash, go ahead and comment in the bottom and below. Let me know what you signed up for. I get people who sign up and they never come and say nothing. Like, I want to know y'all. I want to know who jumping on this with me, who following, who subscribing. Let me know what y'all getting into, so that, I mean, shoot, be honest with you, I like to give away free stuff to the people who subscribe to my YouTube videos and all that. It ain't that many of y'all right now, but I don't care. As long as somebody's getting something out of it. So go ahead and comment and let me know what y'all have y'all jumped on and what y'all want to jump on. I'm going to be doing way more videos. I'm going to be showing you guys way more about my everyday life, so that you can see that I'm not joking. Like, I am a real person. I've been running this channel for a year and really didn't want to put my face on here. I don't know why. I'm just retarded. And not putting your face on YouTube is retarded too. So I want you, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to be doing some tutorials on YouTube, how to gain YouTube subscribers. And you're going to see in real time, as I'm putting these tactics into use, you're going to see that my own subscribers are going to go up. My likes and my views are gonna go up. Just so if you jump on it with me, then you can rise with me. That's all I'm talking about. Let's rise together. All right? I'm trying to find people who want to rise with me. If you want to rise with me, go ahead and jump on this. All right?